Yes, it's taking time. Hello guys, sorry for the delay. I'm glad we are here for another lesson, lesson 10, the move a writer makes. This is a very important lesson. I don't know how to express this to you. Very, very important because we are going to discuss very important things. So please let us go ahead and start with the objectives. Lesson objectives reading. Students will consider mood, which is very important. Mood, how authors make choices to evoke emotion in readers, and will select specific details from three passages to explain how an author's choice conveys mood. Writing, students will analyze specific text evidence to develop a claim about the mood of a passage, and then they will revise their writing by strengthening their use of evidence to elaborate on their claim. This is a very important lesson, and I want everybody to pay serious attention and do the right thing. Now, let's go to the reading. Okay, let's have a look at this, and then we'll go progressively. Uh, for the sake of time and then space we occupy in Zoom, I will not be able to read the whole text. I just want you to listen to this text and then do the activities as they come. So, for example, here, upon reading this passage, we need to answer these questions. What mood or emotion is Gilly trying to make the reader feel in this scene? What, what is the mood? What is the emotion Gilly makes the reader feel in this scene upon reading this passage? So, number one. Number two, highlight one detail Gilly uses to make you feel that emotion. What detail does Gilly use to make you feel that emotion? And then number three, explain how the details that you highlighted impact the reader and creates this emotion. So this is the assignment you do upon reading this text. And then let's go to the next point. So this is quite a long test. You read it and then you answer the following these questions that we've just discussed. So we have another question. What mood experience try to make the readers, okay, this is still the same thing. And then explain how the details that you highlighted impacted the reader and creates this emotion. So this is what you do. You answer this question here and then you click hand in and I'll be able to see. the assignment done. Okay, let's go to writing the next point. We have two parts. You watch. Okay, we also have this text to read or listen to. You can choose to read or listen, and then upon reading or listening, you answer this question. What kind of day was Jilly's birthday? What kind of day was Jilly's birthday? Sad, exciting, scary, disappointing. Describe how the details she includes about the day creates a feeling for you as a reader. That is, you write it here, and then you click hand in for me to be able to see the assignment done. Okay, we continue to the next point. The next thing, okay, response status for writing about text. So this is for your individual use. Consider this, and then we go to the next. Okay, we're still going to listen to the same text and then answer questions. So the first question, read your writing to find a place where you use details from the book to develop your idea. Reread that part of the book and identify one or two additional details that connect to your overall feeling of Jaylee's birthday. And then write 3 to 5 sentences, write 3 to 5 sentences, more sentences than use in details to explaining the idea. Write between 3 and 5 sentences or more sentences that use these details to explain your idea. And then the next point, original writing prompt. What kind of day was Jilly's birthday? Happy, sad, exciting. Describe how the details she includes about the day creates a feeling for you as a reader. That is the assignment that we do here. And then we continue to 6. 6. Okay, at this point, you listen to this uneducable child. Uneducable child, you read that part. And then answer questions as they come. Next. Okay, in paragraph 54, Jilly described how different New Year's morning was this year than in the previous years. Click the phrase that shows that the mood this year's morning was not joyful. So find the correct statement. And then the solo activity, which you should do from the beginning to the end. So for this activity here, we have, this is what we're going to do. Read the assignment text, highlight and annotate the passage as directed, answer the questions. I'll go to the next point too. You can listen to this story and then we highlight. We're going to highlight. Go to number 3. At this point, we're going to answer comprehension questions. So question number 1, why didn't Jilly want to work on the exhibit? Why didn't she want? So this is pure comprehension. We answer that question here. And then the next one, question 2. This question has two parts. Part one, what did teacher Zing convince Jilly to do? So choose the correct answer. We have four answers. Choose the correct answer. Second part, which statement from the text shows the most convincing thing teacher Zing said to her? What is the most convincing thing teacher said to her? You have one, A, B, C, D, E, C, D. So choose the correct answer. And then go to the next one. Question number 3. Jilly learned that she and Lin had which two of these things in common? What do they have in common? What did Jilly and then Lin had in common? So read and then answer these questions. And then the next assignment will be question number 4. What amazed Jilly about herself? What amazed Jilly about herself? Pick up the correct answer between the 4, A, B, C, and D. And then the next one, we go to the next, which is the last question, or maybe the last. This question has two parts. Part 1, what is Dak's claim about Bai Sham? These are Chinese names. And then part 2, what evidence from this text supports her claim? You still have the answer, then to choose the correct answer. And then 8, which is question number 6. Why did Jilly envy Chang Hong? Why did Jilly envy Chang Hong? So the evidence, or you find the evidence, and then what is the evidence? So upon answering this question, you click on in, and then I will be able to see the assignment. So in this lesson, we've learned about mood, emotions, which is very important with illustrations. Okay, thank you so very much. And then in class, we'll be able to discuss further, and then your questions will be answered. Thank you so very much, and I'm looking forward to see you in class and then discuss for your further concerns and then